Howdy there, Matt here with Grafted Branch Homestead, and this is the Grafted Herbal Corner, where we are exploring our personal health through a more natural and sustainable means. So join us as we do some different recipes and mostly midnight homesteading and explore our health. This month in January, we are exploring digestive health, and so today we're going to be doing black milk. Black milk is an ancient drink traditionally used for its cooling, calming, and detoxifying properties. It's especially popular for its potential to support digestion, improve skin health, and balance your body's systems. This drink is made from our herbal ingredients and rich in different minerals and vitamins as well. So this drink should be drinking warm and can be taken 1 to 2 times a day, particularly in the evening, to help calm the digestive system, promote relaxation, and nourish the skin. So let's go ahead and get into it, make our recipe, and try some of this black milk out. Step 1, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds are high in calcium, magnesium, and healthy fats. They help to promote bone health, improve digestion, and benefit skin appearance. We're going to take our tablespoon of black sesame seeds and we want to toast them on the stove. So over just a medium heat, we're going to get those to come to a nice toast and a good aromatic. And you can smell that sesame. We're going to take our toasted black sesame seeds and we want to go ahead and grind those to a powder. You could use an electric grinder, which would probably be a lot easier, but it was in the middle of the night. So here we go. Step 2, we're going to be using some cardamom seeds. Here I have some cardamom pods and I'm just going to break out the seeds. We want to use a 1/4 teaspoon here. Cardamom is good at helping to soothe the digestive system, helps you with your circulation, and supports detoxification. Step 3, cumin. And we're going to be using a 1/4 teaspoon of this as well. Cumin aids in digestion, it detoxifies and helps to support metabolic function. Step 4, we're going to need milk, and about 1 cup of it, or your favorite milk imposter if you wish. Milk acts as a smooth base for this drink. It aids in digestion and providing a creamy texture. We're going to put our milk on the stove and we want to heat it up, bring it to about a simmer, and add the rest of our ingredients. In goes the tablespoon of roasted ground black sesame seed. 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of our cumin. We're going to mix it up and let that simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. It'll turn a grayish black color. Next, we're going to add honey in a tablespoon of it. Honey adds a nice sweetness while also providing an antimicrobial and immune boosting properties to our black milk here. So our mixture has simmered for about 10 minutes here. I'm going to pull it off the stove and strain it out. Cheers! Cheers! It's quite pleasant. So it definitely has that toasted sesame smell. It's kind of an earthy, smooth and creamy, but sweetened by that honey. This is a very nice drink, very calming. Give it a try yourself. See if it helps out with your digestive system, particularly in the evening, and get you going in a much more natural way. If you liked this video, go ahead and give us a subscribe. Check out some of our others, and maybe this one below on gut health morning shots.